Define the elements of the start page. Let's go directly over to Wireshark and look at the 4 elements of the start page. Let me draw squares around the 4 elements of the start page. First we have the capture area, and we can see that this provides information about the available interfaces, and you can start a capture directly from this location. You can also set your capture options by clicking in this area. The Capture Help area links to the web page that has information about how to capture traffic and the very popular Network Media Help page. There's also the Files section. Now, in the Files section, you will see the list of recently opened files, and if you wish to open a different file, you simply click on this area where it says Open. Notice in my Open Recent area, some of the files are listed in blue and appear to have active links, while the other ones below that are suddenly grayed out and indicate Not Found. If a file has been renamed or deleted or moved from a directory, it will show up this way in the Open Recent list. Wireshark's wiki page also has some sample captures for you, so you can click in this area to open up the page that has sample trace files. On the right-hand side, you will see an area listed as Online, although it may not actually go online. First, you have the link to the Wireshark.org website. Next, you have the link to the user guide, but notice that it will open the user guide from the local drive if it's been installed. That's defined during the installation process of Wireshark. The last section over here links to an area that has information about running Wireshark as securely as possible. Let's go over to the capture area and work with that for just a moment. Notice that the very first area there is Interface List. You can also list the interfaces using the first button on the main toolbar. And wherever possible, it's a good idea to get used to using the main toolbar. That way you don't have to constantly return to the start page in order to perform these functions. If you click on Interface List, it will bring up a list of the available interfaces. If you want to start capturing from the start page, first you need to select the interface off of the list and then click the Start button. If you're going to apply capture filters or define that you want to capture to file sets, you'll need to select Capture Options first. You can define all of these items in the Capture Options window. For more information about capturing packets in Wireshark, see the Wireshark Core Training Course 3, Capture Traffic. I'll show you how to get back to this start page from inside of a trace file. So we're looking at this trace file right now, and if for some reason we want to get back to the start page, we can simply click the X or close this capture file on the main toolbar, and that will automatically bring you back to the start page. In the next section of this course, we'll go through the 9 graphical user interface elements of Wireshark GTK.